so it's our month of April movement prep. We're going to work on foot activation, foot mobility, and a little bit of hip and shoulder mobility drills. So to get people started, you're just going to start with the basic bob and weave. So we just want to get those feet off of the ground and moving, even for people who are afraid to lift those feet off the ground. So make sure that you have lots of options. You're aware of your crowd, your numbers, and space around you, and then always offer all of the different modifications possible. So from just this basic bob and weave, typically it's like a boxing type move, guards are up, and you can take it a little bit faster pace and throw in your little cross jab right there. If you've got a group that looks like they want to kind of get a little more active and have fun, partner them up and let them bob and weave, cross jab. Just remind them they got to go opposite each other. And then from here, you shake things out. So again, you're just on the feet, foot mobility. You want to feel things moving because that's where all the energy comes in. Again, they can travel with it. Travel back, just be aware of your space, your surroundings. The other option, if you have enough time in your movement warm-up, would be single leg foot hops. And you can make it last for a few seconds or for a while. They could be forward, back, side to side, or have them create different patterns. Make sure you get both equal time on both legs. And then bring them back in, bob and weave. Offer modifications as we're going to go to the ground now for some shoulder and hip mobility exercises. So take a nice deep breath. And then always transition, fold them in half, and just breathe. Walk them on out to push-up position. Here the option is to take it to the front fleshy part of the knees. We want to do some hand walk push-ups. So left hand reaches in front of us. Sink down, so there's going to be some interchange between your ribs and your hips, and then come back up. Here's the key, you want to make sure you're cueing that the hip drives you over. So the left hand goes left wide, and then the left arm comes behind you, and your spine has some lateral flexion in it. And repeat that, maybe 1, 2, or 3 times, and then balance it out with the other side. These are going to be tough for most people, so slow them down, make sure they got warm first, and they're ready to go. Walk them in when you're done, and have fun with your class.